Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. It's time. It came, you guys. The Sanrio loot crate came. Ah! I'm so excited for this. This comes 4 times a year, so not often. It's sad. But let's open it up. Oh my god, I can see that the box is so cute. You guys are seeing it before me. It says Sweet Dreams. Oh, Hello Kitty is right there. This box is so cute. Okay, so the first thing hanging out here is this squishy little Hello Kitty. Would you call that a keychain? Or like maybe like a zipper pull, or you just hang it on your backpack. La, 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 la. Okay, first of all, they don't go to 5X, so I order a small in my shirts so that if it's boyish enough, I could pass it on to my nephews, or if they even like it, I could pass it on to them. But this is the most adorable dang thing I have ever seen. Oh my goodness. Look at all them beautiful little things just sleeping! Oh, the cuteness, I can't take it. Alright, here is the Sweet Dreams blanket. I wonder if it looks similar to the shirt. Oh, I love how the edges are done. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so adorable. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I believe this one is $30 a box. Let me make sure I got everything out of here. You guys, I can't wait to flip box inside out, it says. Oh, and it makes a cute little box inside out. That's, oh gosh. I love it. Alright, so there's this Adorbs poster. I don't want to look at it yet. Here's the Loot Crate Sanrio Small Gift Crate charm. So cute. Let's see if we can... Little Twin Stars charm. Kiki and Lala are the latest addition to our charm series and the perfect ambassadors for sweet dreams. Kiki and Lala. And there's this sleep mask. You have no idea. Like, I was really looking at a sleep mask last week because during the summer, like, the sun comes straight into my window. So I was like, well, you know, I can get a sleep mask and just use that. Now I have a super cute Hello Kitty one. Yay! Alright, and the last thing. This is, I can see it on the poster. It's nesting dolls. So you've got Hello Kitty. This one is My Melody. I think. I believe they're going in order here. Pochaco. I'm really bad with these kind of names. Karopi. Or Karapi. He's a little froggy. Oh my gosh, the smallest one. Choco Cat. You guys. Oh my goodness. Look at them. Could things be cuter? Ooh, ooh, sorry. I'm trying to fix you. I love nesting dolls. I don't know why. I always have. I just think they're so fascinating. Have you ever seen the movie The Watch, where Vince Vaughn is at Ben Stiller's house, and he sees these Russian nesting dolls, and it's like he's never seen them before, so he just keeps popping them open. He's like, oh my gosh, there's another one! You guys, is there another one? Oh my gosh, there's another one! It cracks me up so hard. If you haven't seen that movie, watch that movie. Know that it's really dumb, but love it anyway, because that's how I roll. Like, it's the dumbest movie, but it is so funny. I cannot. So, what do we think of the Sanrio box? I did pay for a year, so we will be getting 4 of them. I think it's super cute. I love all this cutie patootie stuff. I'm worried that I don't know enough about Sanrio to just be like super excited or to pronounce their names correctly. But, and this shirt is problematic for me only because I can't wear it, but I can definitely like give it away or, you know, save it for a giveaway or something. This is awesome. I freaking love it. I actually do love the charm too, and the blanket is so cute. I think it's definitely worth the money so far. So, yeah, that's the first of 4 Sanrio boxes. Again, they come every 3 months, so don't expect another one until like April. Like, oh, goodness. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye!